Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I will be unboxing or unbagging. It's in a bag, but I like to say unbox. The June 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And for anyone who is new or not aware of what Ipsy is all about, it is a $20 a month beauty subscription where you get 5 full-size beauty products and you get to choose 3 of the 5 items. Now, after saying that, do you think I remember what I chose? We made our selections on June the 2nd. That's like 3 weeks ago. I can't remember what I had for lunch yesterday. Alright, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see if I'm gonna like or be disappointed. Whoa, she's bright. We got some neon yellow and some hot pink / magenta. What do you call those? Ice cream sticks? No, popsicle. Summertime fun. Alright, it is Pride Month, so yay. The card, which gives no information other than selling you something. The theme is, it says show your colors, which makes sense. Pride Month. Alright, I'm excited. I do not remember what I chose, selected, received. However, I do recall picking 2 add-ons, which as I see them will come to memory. The rest, I can't remember to save my life. Okay, first item. I know somebody who pre-dibbed this is super happy. This here is liquid glass from DRYBAR. It is a miracle smoothing sealant. As you can see, I have very short hair. All of these fancy haircare products just go to a trade or giveaway or just sit in a bin. So, how exciting for some of you. Oh, shoot. I forgot to get my cell phone. And they don't put information on the card. Hold on. Let me go grab my phone so I can tell you the prices. Alright, I got my phone. So this here DRYBAR liquid glass retails for $34. Alright, next item. Alright, it is a month filled with products from Dr. BRANDT. I don't know which is going to go first, but I received a product from Dr. BRANDT in my BoxyCharm as well. This here is the Triple Oxidant Face Cream. Very tiny. How many mLs? Really? Oh, that's deceiving. This is 50 ml or 1.7 fluid ounces. Seems smaller than that. Let's see what that retails for. Knowing Dr. BRANDT, I'm going to guess 48. Let's see. How did I do? No. $64. Dang, Dr. BRANDT, why are you so pricey? But I love every product I've tried from Dr. BRANDT that I've received in beauty subscription boxes. I have loved and enjoyed. He's pricey, but that's the benefit of these subscription boxes. All right, next item. We have yet another squeezy tube. What are you? NEOGEN Dermalogy. Oh, it's an Airy sunscreen, SPF 50. Yes, it's that time of year. Well, actually, all year long you should be wearing your SPF, which I do. But extra special, you go through it a little more frequently. If you leave your house, you should be reapplying. All right, how much is this bad boy? This retails for $32 and you get 50 ml. And I did select this as one of my choices. All right, next item. What do we have here? Something in bubble wrap. Usually indicates makeup. Oh, I see Laura Geller. This is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. All right, comes with a mirror. And we have 2 lovely highlighter shades. All right, a little pet peeve of mine. Sometimes these compacts, like they only go to there or there. Why? This one almost goes all the way, but not quite. At least it's better than others. Let me do some swatches. I know, first world problems, but it just bugs me. All right, so that's what they look like on my fingers. Let me get it on the back of my hand. I'm so fair, I don't know if they'll pick up. They're right there somewhere. In real life, they are a little more on the golden spectrum, but I still think, yeah, I'm pretty sure I can pull it off. All right, let's see what the app says this retails for. Yowza, this is pricey in my opinion. It retails for $33, and it was one of my selections. All right, and the last item seems to be a palette. Again, nicely done, Ipsy, with the bubble wrap. We have from ARACELI. See if I can get my lighting there. All right. What is this? It is Dahlia and Laelia. It's the name of something. I can't remember. Is this going to be eyeshadow? Can't be a highlighter. Why would they give me two highlighters? Oh, okay. It is a blush duo. Those are beautiful. Let me do some swatches. All right, so there they are. My lighting kind of washes it out. They are very, what I would call kind of more corally. One is solid and one is like a blush topper, which you can barely see. Let me go in. All right, so there is the blush, and right here is the blush topper, and or I guess you could use it as a highlighter. It is very pigmented, so I would say use a light hand and don't go ham like I usually do. All right, what does that retail for? All right, that's pretty good. It retails for $24. The packaging is... there's a mirror. It's cardboard. It does have a magnetic closure. Is it the best? No. Have I seen worse? Yes. All right. I think that's everything. Let me quickly show you what I picked up for add-ons. And by add-ons, I just went for the little $3.50 ones. As you may or may not have seen, I will link it up above. I have an epic two-part video series on organizing 2.5+ years of subscribing to beauty subscription boxes and all of the stuff you can collect. But when I saw TATCHA, which is a very bougie brand, had a little sample of one of their face creams, eye cream, I don't know. It was $3.50 and I'm a sucker. So yes. And the other item, this has gone viral. Everyone talks about it. I would never pick it up full size, whatever. But I saw it, a little sample for $3.50, and I decided, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. And you're probably asking, what is it? This is the Milk Hydro Base Gripping Primer. It's supposed to be really tacky, sticky feeling. Some people hate it. Other people love it. It's supposed to make your foundation last a really long time. I was willing to give it a try for that low dollar amount. All right, enough rambling. Let me recap everything I got in my base June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got a blush duo from ARACELI, a highlighter duo from Laura Geller, a 50 SPF sunscreen from NEOGEN Dermalogy, the liquid glass smoothing sealant from DRYBAR, and a triple oxidant face cream from Dr. BRANDT. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this is a pretty good bag. Granted, I gotta pick 3 of the 5 items. I got 2 makeup, 1 hair care, 1 skincare. Tell me, do you consider, what do you call this? Sunscreen as skincare, or just it's sunscreen? To me, it's its own category, but you do slather the cream on your face, so it could be skincare. But what are your thoughts? I'm going to list the MSRP value of my box. No, several of these items were over $30, so I know it's going to be a good value. But let me know. I know at least one person who's jealous of this product. It's not that I hate hair. It's just I get my hair cut every 4 to 5 weeks. Sometimes, like, I'm trying to grow it out slightly. It's been 6 weeks. but there's no point because I don't have damage because it's always getting cut. You get me. All right, let me know your thoughts. What did you think of the add-ons I grabbed? What did you think of the 3 choice items I picked? Oh, this was one of my choice items. And then let me know your thoughts. What did you get in your box? Were you jealous of mine? Did you think I made poor choices? Do you no longer subscribe to Ipsy? And are you just here to support me? If so, I appreciate you. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you haven't done so by now, please remember to give my video a thumbs up. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.